Robots are no longer science fiction. From humanoid robots and self-driving cars to AI assistants and smart factories, robotics is changing the world faster than ever before. But many students ask one question: how do I actually become a robotics engineer? Should you learn coding first? Electronics? AI? ROS? Arduino? Machine learning? In this video, I'll show you the complete roadmap to become a robotics engineer from beginner to advanced level. Whether you are a school student, engineering student, or tech enthusiast, this roadmap will help you start your robotics journey step by step. Let's begin. Before learning robotics, you must understand what robotics really is. Robotics is not just building robots. It is a combination of electronics, programming, mechanical engineering, artificial intelligence, control systems, embedded systems. A robot needs a body, sensors to understand surroundings, motors for movement, a brain to process information, and software to control everything. That's why robotics is called a multidisciplinary field. And the good news is, you don't need to learn everything at once. You can learn step by step. The first step in robotics is learning basic electronics, because every robot uses electronics. Start by understanding voltage, current, resistance, power supply, circuits. One important formula is V equals IR. This is Ohm's law. Then learn common electronic components: LEDs, resistors, capacitors, relays, sensors, motors. After that, start using Arduino. Arduino is one of the best platforms for beginners. Practice simple projects like LED blinking, obstacle avoiding robot, line follower robot, smart light systems. At this stage, your goal is understand how electronic systems work. Don't worry about advanced robotics yet. In this topic, programming is the brain of robotics. Without software, a robot cannot think or act. The best programming languages to learn are Python, C++, basic Linux commands. Start with Python because it is beginner-friendly and widely used in AI and robotics. Learn variables, loops, functions, conditions, object-oriented programming. Then move to C++ because many robotic systems use it for performance and hardware control. Practice small programs daily. Even 1 hour of coding every day can create huge improvement over time. Once you know basic electronics and programming, start learning embedded systems. Embedded systems are small computers inside robots. Learn platforms like Arduino, ESP32, Raspberry Pi. Understand GPIO pins, PWM control, serial communication, I2C and SPI protocols, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth communication. ESP32 is especially powerful because it supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This allows you to build IoT robots, smart automation systems, wireless robotics projects. A robot is not only software. The physical structure is equally important. Learn mechanical basics, gear systems, torque, robot chassis design, weight balancing. Then learn CAD software like Fusion 360, SolidWorks, FreeCAD. These tools help you design robot parts and robotic arms. Even basic 3D design skills are extremely useful in robotics. After that, now you can start learning actual robotics concepts. Important topics include kinematics, motion planning, PID control, navigation, robot movement. You should understand how robots move, how robotic arms rotate, how balancing works, how autonomous systems navigate. One important robotics equation is F equals ma. This equation explains force and motion, which are fundamental in robotics. So, if you want to become a serious robotics engineer, you must learn ROS2. ROS stands for Robot Operating System. It is one of the most important robotics platforms used in industry and research. ROS2 helps robots communicate internally, process sensor data, control movement, navigate environments. Learn nodes, topics, publishers and subscribers, gazebo simulation, Turtlebot projects. ROS2 works best on Ubuntu Linux, so learning Linux basics is very important. In modern robotics is heavily connected with artificial intelligence. AI gives robots the ability to detect objects, recognize faces, understand voice commands, make decisions. Learn OpenCV, machine learning basics, object detection, neural networks. Projects you can build: face tracking robot, AI assistant, smart surveillance robot, voice-controlled humanoid robot. This is where robotics becomes truly futuristic. The most important step is building projects. Projects teach you more than theory. Start small and improve gradually. Build line follower robot, robotic arm, AI assistant, IoT automation systems, humanoid robot prototypes. Every project increases your skills and builds your portfolio. Robotics is one of the most exciting fields of the future. The journey may look difficult in the beginning, but every robotics engineer started from simple projects and basic learning. Stay consistent, keep building, keep learning, and most importantly, never stop experimenting. Subscribe to Nova Robotics Lab for more robotics tutorials, AI projects, and future technology content. Build, innovate, inspire.